तुझको मैं रख लूं वहां जहां पे कहीं है मेरा यकीन। मैं जो तेरा ना हुआ किसी का नहीं, किसी का नहीं। ले जाए जाने कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं। बेगानी है ये बागी हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं। ले जाए जाने कहाँ ना मुझको खबर ना तुझको पता। ओ
Say hi.
Hello. Magic.
Oh, this is the group. Very selected people came to this elephant camp. This is our leader for now.
No, I am your leader. Oh, somebody got Rudra there.
Huh?
Yeah.
And this is the elephant, as you can see.
Oh, that is Rudra.
Oh my God, elephant.
Oh wow, elephant.
जो तू वो यादें जाने संग मेरे कब तक चले, इन्हीं में तो मेरी सुबह भी ढले शाम ढले मौसम ढले ख्यालों का शहर। तू जाने तेरे होने से ही आबाद है हवाएं हक में। वही है आते जाते जो तेरा नाम ले देती है जो सदाएं हवाएं हवाएं। न जाने क्या बताएं हवाएं हवाएं।
हम लोग आए हैं, कहाँ है नहीं पता, लेकिन हम लोग का प्लान है अभी एलिफेंट राइड करने का, लेकिन टिकट काउंटर मिल नहीं रहा है। टिकट काउंटर मिलते ही एलिफेंट में चढ़ते ही आपको वापस क्लिप दिखाएंगे।
ये देखिए हमारा elephant. Oh, this is हाथी मेरा साथी. What would you guys like to say to the camera?
This is Hathi Vera Sathi.
Yes, anything, any good message, social message?
They are changed. They have to be unchanged. Yes.
Don't shackle the animals, guys.
Yes.
One elephant was literally crying. Welcome to the all-in-one Rudonil and Chirantan vlog.
Yeah, judicial officer, full name.
Yes, this is the judicial committee vlog with
Yeah, no.
the sponsor provided by Mayukhi Chakraborty.
And
This is the sponsor our video.
professional vlogger Mr. Ayushman Das.
He is nothing but time pass, so let's leave him. Yeah. Would you like to say anything? He's very friendly. That's what I got for him. That's it. It is his quality, innate quality. Wow.
ডিজিটালি ঠিক আছে, বাট কাটা
Acha. So what we need the most right now, bhaiya?
We need our teachers.
We need teachers, but teachers are not here. We don't know why. Yay!
Give me the video and let's see. This elephant is each and every elephant in this. Wow! Look, new badmashi going on.
So we cannot go inside right now. We cannot. So we will just be roaming outside the campus. I am following Mr. Priyanshu Pratap Singh, our school president, who is finding the ticket counters for the elephant ride. I will be reporting him today.
Listen, we won't be able to do elephant ride because the time's already up. We'll just have a good
Quick.
walk here. This is the place.
Yes.
We walk from this place.
Then we get a boat ride and then we do stunts on the boat and we run to the bus. That's the plan for today. What is your take on shackled elephants?
See, they have been shackled so that the thing is, they don't stamp on us, something like that, step on us because then we'll die. But the thing is, they have been kept like this, maybe just for when people are there. Afterwards, when you want to go, maybe they are set free. I don't know about that, but they're here because they're protected. Okay, they're protected.
Oh,
So yeah.
some conflicting views. What is your take on the shackled elephant?
Yeah, you move.
What is your take on the shackled elephant?
That's the thing. Most of these, you see, the ivory is taken out, so they are being taken care of here. They're being bred here, but that is because of the people first. So obviously we always have this idea of taking care of our mistakes. That's why we are doing this. But also riding the elephants isn't helping, and also we are traumatizing them because you know when
We
they
are not
kids,
actually riding them because we don't have time.
no, the time limit we has crossed, but not today. I mean, in general, we are riding them. People are riding them, but we are also fixing our mistake of taking out the ivory and harming them because many of the elephants actually die once you take the ivory out. And you saw one of the elephants had only one of their ivory, which shows that it's been tortured. Also, you see the shackles of iron around their feet. Actually, if they just pull it, they can easily break through it. But what happens is when they're a kid, they don't have that much of a power, so they tie them
It's
with
the mindset that binds them.
Yes. Now it's their mindset because they think as a kid when they were locked, they couldn't break free, so they wouldn't
So
be
they
able
will
to-
not be able to break free now
Yeah.
also.
So technically we're traumatizing them and preventing them from releasing their whole power. So in total, everything has its both sides, negative and positive. A coin has a tail and a head. Everything has its positive and negative. So we
Can
cannot,
you tell me some positives of this thing?
Again, I just told it. I started with the positive ones. We're taking care of the already tortured elephants.
But aren't we the ones who are torturing them?
No, not in the first house. We're taking care of them right now because the ivories were out from the poachers. The poachers is at fault.
The poachers took the ivory.
Of course, we are not the ones taking the ivory. They're taking care of the animal, feeding them, keeping them in a proper place. But since they don't escape, they are, shackling them and closing them and then making them believe they're not powerful enough. So that's bad. But that's what I mean, like taking care of them is also very important because we cannot lose. We started with like number of elephants and now there is like, they're almost at the extinction time. That is not good. So that's why we need to take care of it as well. But then we should have started off with not killing them at the first time. So with that thought, bye.
Okay, that's it from our sponsor. We will like to end today's show. It was a very insightful and fruitful and valuable talk show today. Chirantan Das Gupta.
I will race with the dog now.
He is racing with a dog for entertainment, guys. This is the best thing you could ever do. Race with a dog for entertainment. The best kind of entertainment with exercise. As you can see, the dog is lagging behind.
2 dogs are involved.
Hi everyone. So we are in day 6 and well we have finally come to the almost penultimate day of the trip, that is tomorrow. And now you saw we went to the elephant camp and we are back in Rajanta, Mysore, and we'll be going to Chamundeshwari temple, as well as some fountain, something. Yeah, I don't know the name that well, but yeah, that's an addition to our trip that we did not know, at least I did not know from the itinerary. I guess it's a replacement for St. Philomena's Cathedral, which we couldn't go because of the fact that the church was closed by the time we could go to the place. I'm pretty sure it's the same for today as well. The church must be closed. We got a different room this time, but it looks the same, so I have not shot anything there. But yeah, we're back in this place. So the distance from here to Chamundeshwari temple is 20 minutes. That's why we are all wearing traditional, if you saw in the videos.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा
She got attacked today.
हनुमान जी से आशीर्वाद मिल चुका है मैम को
वो भी अंडा से अंडा दिया
See, I am explaining you the situation. See, first of all, I was attacked by monkey. So in return, like रिश्तेदार के अरे क्या रिश्तेदार बोल रहा हूँ
ने अपने पूरे साल का 5 साल का बदला एक दिन में लिया
अपने
रिश्तेदारों को मिला के
So basically inside
अनुभव सब मिलके
So basically, a monkey got on top of my mom and started snatching the coconut from her. And then later on, while we were coming out of the temple,
out of frustration, अंडा फेंक के मारा.
Ma'am Molly, will you still have sikan before coming to the temple?
What is the big deal?
Your hair got undified.
तो that is भगवान के मंदिर के बाहर अगर कोई बंदर बैठ के अंडा खा रहा है तो मंदिर वालों को सोचना चाहिए.
कैसा बंदर पाला है इन लोगों ने? Non-veg बंदर्स. Another thing also, like, it was a blessing because ma'am Molly's hair got conditioned with egg. Yeah, let me see my face.
छाड़ो ना अभी बोलो ना
Wait, outfit of the day. दिखा रही fit check. Fit check.
आज बहुत थोड़े देखो सी अगर monkeys humans के रिश्तेदार है. Do you agree? हाँ. If monkeys humans के रिश्तेदार है तो मेरे भी रिश्तेदार है. मैंने उन लोगों को स्मगलिंग नहीं पैसा खिलाया. ठीक है पैसा नहीं खिलाया बस अंडा खिलाया एग्जैक्टली. हाँ तो अंडा खिला के क्या हुआ कि मैंने दे दिया उन लोगों को अंडा. उन लोगों ने फोड़ दिया मैम के सर में डंडा.
तूने अंडा दिया था?
अंडा नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. किसको बता दिया होगा पर्सनल दुश्मनी.
मौली मैम के ऊपर बंदर ने अंडा गिरा दिया.
बंदर कैसे अंडा खा रहा था मंदिर के बाहर में तो यही मेरे को समझ नहीं आया.
मौली मैम बहुत शक हो गए हैं कैसे अंडा उनके ऊपर गिर गया बंदर के कारण से. ये बंदर ने गिरा दिया अंडा. देखिए मंदिर के ऊपर बंदर के ऊपर अंडा खाते गिर रहा मौली मैम का क्या बोलते हैं बाल पे और वो बन गया एक अफवाह. चलो जंप.
मॉल तो सारी जगह जाते हैं हम लोग।
देखो कि
कर दिया बोल
Hi everyone, so we finally came back to the hotel. Now I'm gonna relax. I gave a brief about the fact that we were going to Chamundeshwari temple, and there was some video shot by Rudronil, and I clicked pictures. Also, you know what happened about the monkey dealing thing. So there's nothing much special except it's a place of worship and it feels calm there, but you gotta run. Even if you feel calm, you can't move calmly because there are monkeys. But I'll tell you, the people here are really nice, because when the monkeys were all attacking Ma'am Molly, there were many uncles who were just standing and trying to help us, and then genuinely they were leaving the temple, but they said, wait ma'am, give us the food, because it was like a prasad we were offering to the god, and ma'am had it, and she was attacked by the monkey because the monkey wanted to have the coconuts and stuff. So they gave their coconuts that was already broken inside the temple, and they also proceeded to take the food from my mom, prasad from my mom's hand, and then even when they were leaving the temple, they came back inside to just give the prasad to my mom, and in that huge crowd. Yeah, so that was really, really good. Like, I love the fact how great these people were. Like, I just love them. And then we went to Brindavan. Brindavan, there was nothing much to see because it was already so dark, but we had the music fountain thing. I heard it was music fountain something, but I did not know that it was Brindavan. I like the name, it is Brindavan. But yeah, there was nothing. I mean, maybe it is Brindavan, maybe there's something different in Tamil, but I'm pretty sure Brindavan means Brindavan, like Krishna's Vrindavan. But yeah, maybe it's named like that because it's such a nature connected place. Like, it is just full of green fountain, green grass, and just even when it was dark, it was so calming. But there was a lot of crowd. Like, in the dark, there's a bridge you have to cross from one side to another to reach the music fountain area, and while doing that, it's like it's very, very unsafe. It feels very unsafe because so many people are going from here to there, and it's a rush, and it's so dark. But if you notice the other side of the you notice the water body beside you that you're walking above to the bridge, you'll see the fountain is so beautiful. Like, it's just very, very astonishing. And then but that is nothing compared to what we enter the garden after crossing the bridge and reaching to its end point, the other side. Then you see like a huge park with fountains everywhere, and then one center point where there's like a huge gathering where they're watching sound and water fountain, music, whatever. So we went music water fountain. We went, and first we were standing in the dark, and we were like, it finished. Okay, I'm gonna give an honest review. I wasn't that impressed. Okay, and on top of that, we were just standing, and it was like over in seconds, and I was like, oh, okay, that's it. Okay, and then we were leaving, but then we were told that every 15 minutes they do the light and show. Then we were told that actually today is a day where Monday where you won't be getting that privilege. You will have to yeah, so there was like we were told that it was Monday, so it's like a special thing where it gets over by 7:30 and we reached at 7:45, so the program was over. But yet we were like, okay, we saw everyone sitting around and we were like, okay, let's just try, okay, even if it doesn't start, it's fine, because it was windy and the weather was good and we just reached and we were like very tired anyways. So you're like, okay, sit and enjoy the weather. If there's a program, it's good. If not, then nothing else we can do. And that was like quite reasonable. So we all sat down, and then once we sat down, we were like, okay, ready, like, yep. We won't get to see. And then suddenly there was a countdown, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and then the photo fountain program started. So that was like a surprise, because it was supposedly not going to happen today. So that was a good kind of surprise, yeah. Nothing else today. We went to the elephant camp. We already said that the first half. We could not ride the elephants because it was not like the time, we couldn't reach there at the exact time where we could ride the elephants, because it's from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. and 9 to 11 a.m. So even if we wanted to, it would be a terrible time because it would take time to reach there, and yeah, it wouldn't be possible. And if we stayed till 4:30 p.m., obviously that is impossible, right? So, but we saw elephants. That's good enough. More importantly, the boat ride was excellent, like amazing, yeah, thrilling and adventurous. On top of that, like many of them were wearing kurtis, traditional, because of the Chamundeshwari temple. I think I wore a half Western, half traditional thing. That was really comfortable. So, yeah. Nothing else for today. Today you saw a lot of Rudranil and Chirantan, probably mainly Rudranil, because he was handling that, and that's totally fine, right? Because yeah, nothing else for today, I guess. Yeah, tomorrow is day 7 and the last day where we'll be actually into like something related to the trip, because day 8 we's just traveling day. It's just going back to Siliguri, so it's not like we can say that it's also part of the day trip. So yeah, I mean, technically there were 6 days we were actually in the trip, but if we think about it, it's 7, because the first day, even if we were traveling, we saw Guruji, we went to do other stuff, we had lunch. So even if we were traveling, it was like not just traveling, we were also, going on to the trip. So yeah, that's it. Good night. That's it for day 6. Chip chip.